Hello there and welcome to another one of my videos. I'm going to just do a quick video showing you how I edit skin in Lightroom. So I don't edit skin in every single image, just in perhaps close-up portraits, close-up couple shots, just because I think it's something that the bride's going to notice, and it's just a way to make the skin look really beautiful and creamy in images. So this image here I've already edited using the editorial pack preset, which is my own. So this is just the before and after with that preset. So if I want to edit the skin, I come over here and select this tool. I wait for it to detect the person and I just select facial skin. If her body was more in focus, I may select body skin too, but for this one I'm just going to select my facial skin. I'm going to create that mask. So under presets, I have made a custom preset which I've named Perfect Skin. You can make it yourself and then add it in as a preset yourself. So if I select my Perfect Skin preset, so on it I have my contrast increased to 11, my highlights down to 6, my shadows lifted to 5, and then I just have my texture down to -10 and my clarity down to -24 and my dehaze down to -10. And that is it for that skin mask that I have added. So if I just show you a before and after, just adding in that skin mask. So this is without the skin mask, and then this is with, and you can just see how it really softens up that skin on her face. So then my next step would be, if there's any blemishes, I would then just edit them out. And as I say, I don't do this on all images, I just do it on, you know, close-up images, because I feel like this is something a bride will definitely notice, how their skin is looking in an image. So that is it really. So if I show you the before and after with this, just my perfect skin removed. So without my perfect skin, with, it just gives it such a creamy look and makes the skin look so much more soft and just dreamy. So yes, so you can make this tool yourself. You can then add the tool in and hopefully that helps you with editing skin yourself in Lightroom. So yes, thank you for watching again today, one of my videos, and please do subscribe for future videos.